Have you ever stopped to think that the greatest enemies of your health can be defeated with simple actions, which are often overlooked? In a world where we are bombarded with excess information at every moment, it is easy to lose sight of the power of small habits, those that, if properly applied, can radically transform your life. And what if I told you that protecting your kidneys and preventing diseases like diabetes could be easier than you imagine? It might sound counterintuitive, but the solution to these problems is within your reach, and it doesn't require drastic changes or expensive medications. We are talking about practices that, when incorporated into your routine, can create a protective shield for your health. From the simple act of drinking more water to including specific foods and supplements, all of this can change the game in your favor. You might be wondering, how can these small changes have such a big impact? The answer lies in consistency and knowledge, in knowing exactly where and how to act to achieve the best results. And that's exactly what we're going to explore here, a practical guide to transforming your health from the inside out. Now, if you're curious to discover how these practices can be integrated into your life naturally and without complications, keep reading. We will demystify the myths and reveal the secrets that few people know, but that can make all the difference for those seeking not just to live longer but to live better. Are you ready to find out how to protect your kidneys and keep diabetes under control with simple adjustments to your routine? Then, let's get started. Preventing diabetes and kidney damage. When it comes to protecting kidney health and preventing diabetes, there is a simple yet powerful practice that few people know about: consuming 2 tablespoons of certain substances before meals. Just imagine, in your daily routine, including this small action before meals, like a daily self-care ritual. These substances, which may seem insignificant at first glance, have the potential to reverse the damage caused to the kidneys by high blood sugar levels. Moreover, this habit helps maintain control over diabetes, a silent menace that affects thousands of people without them even noticing the warning signs. And the best part? It doesn't require major changes to your routine, just a small adjustment that can make all the difference. Picture yourself at the table, about to enjoy your meal. Even before savoring the dish in front of you, you remember this small detail: 2 tablespoons that can change the course of your health. We are not talking about something complex or hard to find, but rather something within everyone's reach. By incorporating this practice, you are taking an important step toward protecting your kidneys and controlling your blood sugar level, preventing bigger problems from developing in the future. It's like putting up a protective shield that cares for your body from the inside out, ensuring that it continues functioning in the best way possible. And you know what's even more interesting? This small daily ritual not only prevents complications related to diabetes but also helps repair the damage already done. For those already suffering from kidney problems, this can be a real relief. Imagine the feeling of knowing that, with such a simple gesture, you could be helping your body recover, as if giving your kidneys a new chance. This is something all of us can do, with no excuses, to improve our quality of life and ensure a healthier future. And speaking of small changes, have you heard about how certain chromium-rich foods can help even more in this process? Chromium in foods. Chromium is a mineral often overlooked, but it plays a crucial role in regulating insulin levels and controlling diabetes. Imagine that by consuming foods rich in chromium, such as brewer's yeast and turmeric, you are giving your body a powerful tool to maintain balanced blood sugar levels. These foods are like small, invisible helpers that silently work to improve your kidney health and prevent diabetes complications. Additionally, in cases where the diet is not enough to meet the chromium needs, it might be worth considering supplements, especially for those who are deficient in this mineral. Incorporating chromium-rich foods into your daily diet can be easier than you think. Take turmeric, for example, which, besides being a widely used spice in cooking, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. By adding a pinch of turmeric to your rice or soup, you are not only enriching the flavor of your meal but also strengthening your kidney health. Brewer's yeast, on the other hand, can be sprinkled on salads or mixed into juices, offering an extra dose of chromium that can make all the difference in preventing diabetes. It's like turning every meal into an opportunity to improve your health in a practical and accessible way. Now, if for some reason you can't get enough chromium through your diet, supplements can be a viable solution. But it's important to remember that supplementation should be done carefully and preferably under medical guidance. Think of it as an investment in your long-term health, ensuring that your kidneys are protected and that your blood sugar levels remain under control. Small adjustments in diet and supplementation can lead to significant health changes. And speaking of adjustments, have you considered the benefits of unfiltered, raw apple cider vinegar to improve insulin sensitivity? Apple cider vinegar, ACV. Apple cider vinegar, especially when unfiltered and raw, is a true ally in health management, particularly when it comes to insulin sensitivity. Imagine incorporating this simple habit before meals: a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar diluted in a glass of water. This small gesture can bring great benefits to those looking to keep their blood sugar levels under control. Apple cider vinegar acts as a moderator, helping to prevent those unwanted glucose spikes that can overload your kidneys and harm your health in the long term. And the best part? It's easy to implement and can be integrated into your daily routine without major complications. You might be wondering how something so simple can have such a significant impact. The answer lies in apple cider vinegar's ability to increase insulin sensitivity, which in turn helps keep blood sugar levels more stable. This effect is especially beneficial for those at risk of developing diabetes or already living with the disease. By taking this proactive step before meals, you are not only taking care of your health but also protecting your kidneys, which are often the first to suffer the impacts of inadequate blood sugar control. Including apple cider vinegar in your diet doesn't have to be complicated. If the pure taste is too strong for your palate, try mixing it in salads or marinades for meats. Another alternative is to prepare a refreshing drink, diluting the vinegar in water and adding a touch of honey or lemon. These small adjustments can turn apple cider vinegar into a regular component of your diet, becoming a habit as natural as drinking water. And speaking of which, did you know that staying hydrated is another key piece for controlling blood sugar and maintaining kidney health? Staying hydrated. Staying well hydrated is one of the most fundamental pillars for preserving kidney health and managing blood sugar levels, especially for those living with diabetes. Water, often underestimated, is essential to help the body process glucose more efficiently and ease the work of the kidneys. Imagine each glass of water you drink as direct support to your vital organs, cleansing toxins and facilitating blood filtration. It's a simple gesture, but one with profound impact, which can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Remember, it's not just about drinking when you're thirsty, but maintaining a continuous hydration habit throughout the day. For those who have difficulty remembering to drink water regularly, there are some practical strategies that can help. Having a water bottle always at hand, whether at your work desk or in your car, is one of those ways to ensure you are hydrating properly. Additionally, setting reminders on your phone to drink water at regular intervals can make a big difference. Every sip counts, and in the long run, this practice helps keep blood sugar levels under control, protecting your kidneys from overload. In this context, water acts as a silent guardian of your health. It is important to highlight that, besides the quantity, the quality of the water you consume is also crucial. Opting for filtered water and avoiding excessive consumption of sugary or sodium-rich drinks can help keep your kidneys functioning optimally. Staying hydrated is a way of showing care for your body, which in return thanks you with better functioning of its vital functions. And since we're talking about healthcare, did you know that choosing low glycemic index foods can also help prevent blood sugar spikes and preserve your kidney health? Low glycemic foods. Choosing foods with a low glycemic index is a powerful strategy for controlling blood sugar levels and protecting kidney health. These foods, which include fruits like apples and pears, vegetables like broccoli and spinach, and whole grains like oats and quinoa, release glucose more slowly and steadily into the bloodstream. This prevents sudden sugar spikes that can overload the kidneys and cause long-term damage. Imagine each meal as an opportunity to take care of your body, choosing ingredients that work in your favor, keeping your blood sugar under control, and preventing complications related to diabetes. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet doesn't have to be a difficult task. Think of starting the day with a bowl of oatmeal, rich in fiber and low in glycemic index, which keeps you full and energized throughout the morning. At lunch, adding a colorful salad with dark leafy greens and grains like quinoa can be an excellent way to balance your meal. And how about an apple as an afternoon snack? Besides being practical and delicious, it helps keep your glucose levels in check. Each food choice is a way of investing in your health, caring for your kidneys, and preventing bigger problems. Moreover, by making these choices, you are also creating a favorable environment for your overall body health. Low glycemic index foods not only help control blood sugar but also contribute to heart health and maintaining a healthy weight. This means that by adopting a diet rich in low glycemic index foods, you are promoting a series of benefits that go far beyond diabetes control. And speaking of health benefits, have you heard about the powers of berberine to naturally lower blood sugar levels? Berberine benefits. Berberine is a natural compound found in certain plants, and its properties to reduce blood sugar levels are impressive. For many, berberine is almost a well-kept secret, but it is a powerful ally in managing diabetes. Imagine a natural alternative that works similarly to metformin, a widely used medication to control diabetes. Berberine can be that alternative, offering not only a natural solution but also additional benefits for kidney health. By incorporating berberine into your routine, whether through supplements or plants rich in this compound, you are investing directly in protecting your health in the long term. What makes berberine so effective? It works by increasing insulin sensitivity and decreasing glucose production in the liver, resulting in more stable blood sugar levels. For those looking for natural ways to control diabetes, berberine offers an option that can be used in conjunction with other healthy practices, such as a balanced diet and regular exercise. It is worth considering adding berberine to your routine, especially if you are looking for ways to protect your kidneys while keeping diabetes under control. To incorporate berberine into your life, you can opt for quality supplements available in health food stores or pharmacies. Another alternative is to explore the consumption of plants that naturally contain berberine, such as goldenseal and philodendron. However, as with any supplement, it is important to consult a healthcare professional before starting use, especially if you are already taking diabetes medications. And speaking of healthy practices, how about considering exercise before breakfast as an additional way to keep blood sugar levels balanced? Exercise before breakfast. Exercising before breakfast may seem like a challenge to many, but the health benefits are undeniable, especially when the focus is on controlling blood sugar levels and protecting the kidneys. Imagine starting the day with a light walk or a stretching session before even having the first meal. This habit can help stabilize glucose levels throughout the day, improving insulin sensitivity and preventing spikes that can damage the kidneys in the long term. The body, at this moment, is in a state where it uses stored fat as an energy source, which can also contribute to maintaining a healthy weight. For those who are not used to exercising in the morning, it might be helpful to start with simple activities, such as a 15-minute walk around the block or a few minutes of yoga. These small steps can have a big impact on your health, especially if done consistently. By exercising on an empty stomach, you are also preparing your body to better metabolize the foods that will follow, helping to keep blood sugar levels under control. This is especially relevant for those already living with diabetes or at risk of developing it, as glucose control is essential for kidney health. Besides the immediate benefits, exercising before breakfast can create a positive cycle for the rest of the day. Feeling energized early on can motivate you to make healthier food choices and stay active throughout the day. And, of course, the positive impact extends to your kidneys, which are grateful for the extra care. Small adjustments in the routine, like this one, can be transformative. And speaking of essential nutrients, did you know that inositol, also known as vitamin B8, is another powerful ally in regulating blood sugar levels and kidney health? Inositol, vitamin B8. Inositol, also known as vitamin B8, is a lesser-known nutrient but plays a vital role in regulating blood sugar levels and supporting kidney health. Imagine inositol as a key that helps unlock essential metabolic processes, improving how your body handles glucose. For those dealing with diabetes or looking to prevent the condition, inositol can be a great ally, helping to keep insulin working more efficiently. Incorporating this vitamin into your routine can be simple, whether through inositol-rich foods, such as citrus fruits and whole grains, or through specific supplements. What makes inositol particularly interesting is its ability to improve kidney function, especially in people facing challenges related to diabetes. By helping regulate blood sugar levels, inositol also contributes to protecting the kidneys from damage caused by high glucose levels. This means that by ensuring adequate intake of this nutrient, you are not only taking care of your metabolism but also preserving kidney function, which is essential for overall body health. Small adjustments, such as increasing the consumption of inositol-rich foods, can have a significant long-term impact. If you are considering inositol supplementation, it is important to do so with proper guidance, especially if you are already using other diabetes treatments. Dosage and form of consumption can vary, and it is always good to make sure you are doing the best for your body. Inositol can be a valuable addition to your health strategy, complementing a balanced diet and an active lifestyle. And with that, you close a complete cycle of practices that favor both diabetes control and kidney protection. With all these strategies in hand, it is clear that it is possible to take care of your health in a holistic and effective way. Now that you know all these powerful strategies, the big question is, what will you do with this knowledge? The opportunity to transform your health, protect your kidneys, and keep diabetes under control is in your hands. Don't let this valuable information get lost in the rush of everyday life. Make a commitment to yourself, start implementing these habits today, and see how small changes can result in significant benefits. After all, who doesn't want to live longer and with more quality? And you, what are you waiting for to take this step toward a healthier life? Share in the comments which of these tips you will start applying first. And don't forget, to keep learning more about how to take care of your health practically and efficiently, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. This way, you won't miss any news and will continue receiving content that can truly make a difference in your life. Let's go together on this journey towards full and balanced health.